Yo guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to trade crypto futures on XT cryptocurrency exchange step by step. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced trader looking to explore a new cryptocurrency exchange, I'm going to be showing you how to open trades, set leverage and manage risks like a pro. And finally, I will introduce you to a cashback system on XT exchange that will give you 50 to 100% of your trading capital when you are able to accumulate a certain trading volume on XT exchange. So make sure you don't miss out any part of this video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe, turn on post notifications so you don't miss out on my next tutorial. Before we dive in, let's break it down. Crypto futures allows you to predict the future price of cryptocurrencies without actually owning it. You can go long or buy if you actually feel the price is going to go up, or you can short or sell if you actually think that the price is going to drop. And you can use leverage to multiply your potential gains or loss. In other words, futures can also be considered as leverage. So this leverage basically means that you can trade beyond your capital. It also means that you can trade with borrowed funds, and it also means that you can make lots of money within a very short period of time, and also the potential of losing a lot of money within a very short period of time is very high. To get started with XT exchange, all you have to do is to use the link in the description of this video to create an account. Using my exclusive link to create an account on XT exchange comes with lots of benefits, and one of it is 50 to 100% cashback of your trading capital when you are able to accumulate a certain trading volume, which I'm going to take the time to explain toward the end of this video. After sign up, the next thing you want to do is to make a deposit. We have various deposit methods, and you can deposit either via crypto or buying USDT using your local currencies like Naira, Ghana cedis and other local currencies of your choice via P2P. So I have a video that will guide on how to buy USDT on a third-party platform known as Jacobz. With Jacobz, you can just swap your Naira to USDT and you withdraw it to XT exchange. And if you click on this pop-up, it's going to take you to a video tutorial on how to go about the swap. If you want to use P2P on XT exchange to make deposits, all you have to do is to click on this pop-up, and it's going to take you to a video that will guide you on how to buy USDT using your local currencies on the XT exchange P2P system. Now that you've been able to fund your accounts, the next thing you want to do is to click on futures. Once you click on futures, you are going to ask to activate your account. So all you have to do is to activate your account, and after you've been able to activate your account, the next thing you want to do is to transfer your cryptocurrencies from spot wallet to your futures wallet. To do that, click on assets and then you click on spot, then you click on transfer, and from this transfer you'll be able to transfer your USDT from spot to futures account. Once the transfer is successful, the next thing you want to do is to click on futures. If you're in a signal group, anytime we give out signal telling you which cryptocurrency to buy, all you have to do is to log on to your account, and then you click on whatever cryptocurrency pair that you have here. So it is actually on the top left corner of your screen. Once you click on it, then you type the cryptocurrency that you are looking to trade. Let's say for instance you want to trade Doge. All you have to do is to type Doge, and then you are going to select Doge USDT. After you're able to select Doge USDT, the next thing you want to do is to check what price we ask you to buy. If we ask you to buy at current price, then you might just want to use market order. If you want to buy at a specific price that we have given, or maybe anyone has given a signal, all you have to do is to change the market order to limit order. So with limit order, you'll be able to set a specific price at which you want to trade any cryptocurrencies. Another thing you want to do is to determine the leverage. So to determine the leverage you want to use, all you have to do is to click on this 10x. So with this 10x, you could be able to either increase it to any amount, or you could be able to reduce it to any amount from, let's say, 1x to 2x to 3x to 100 or to 75x. And sometimes, depending on a particular cryptocurrency, Some cryptocurrencies allows you to trade with as much as 125x. So now let me explain how this leverage works. Remember that earlier on I mentioned that leverage is more like this platform borrowing you money to trade cryptocurrencies. So this leverage allows you to multiply whatever capital you have in your account. So let's say for instance you have a capital of $10 and you decide to use a leverage of 10x. Your 10x leverage allows you to trade as someone using $100, because 10x literally means whatever capital you have multiplied by 10. So let's say you have $50 and you're using 10x, that simply means you are trading as someone using $500. So now, whatever capital you have is considered as collateral, and then whatever multiplication you are doing using the leverage serves as the borrowed funds. So in an event where the market goes against you and your trade is in 100% negative, that is, you've lost 100%, at that point you are going to get to a level of liquidation. So liquidation in this context means that you have lost all your collateral and you have nothing left to lose than your account to be totally wiped. So at this point you're actually going to lose everything. That is why it is imperative that you are careful with the amount of leverage you use, because the higher the leverage, the higher the potential loss and also the higher the profits. So if your leverage is very high, as much as maybe 10, 20, 50 to let's say 100x leverage, that simply means you are going to be making a lot of money within a very short period of time if the market goes in your favor. But if things goes in opposite direction, you are literally going to also be losing lots of money within a very short period of time. So using minimal leverage like maybe 3x, 2x, 4x, 5x to maybe 10x allows you to make little profits per time and as well as little losses per time. You're actually going to have kind of a breathing space if the market goes in opposite direction, and you can also be able to set a stop loss. But if your leverage is too high, setting stop loss is actually going to be very difficult for you. So now let us place a trade using market order. You have to understand that limit order and market order works the same way it works on sports trading. And if you missed the video on sports trading, click on this pop-up and it's going to take you to the video. Now I'm going to change this to market order, and then I'm going to drag this slider to determine how much percentage of my capital I want to use to initiate this trade. I want to use let's say 18% of my capital, and then I'm going to click on open long, and then I'm going to confirm, and then we have an open trade. Now that we've been able to initiate a trade, we can see the liquidation price. This liquidation price means that if the price of Dogecoin drops significantly and drops to as low as 0.065, that my entire capital on this futures account is going to be totally wiped out and I'm going to lose everything. But if things goes in my favor, then there are chances for me to be able to make some decent amount of money within a short period of time, depending on how Dogecoin is actually going to be moving. After you're able to initiate a trade, the next thing you want to do is to set your stop loss and take profits. All you have to do is to click on TP/SL and then you click on OK. Then this TP and SL allows you to determine at what price you want to take profit and at what price you want to cut your loss, should in case the market goes in opposite direction. When you get here, the next thing you want to do is to set your desired take profit percentage, and I can just go for, let's say, maybe 10% profit, or I can just go for 15% profit. So if I go for 15% profit, you're actually going to see how much exactly you are expected to make from that particular trade as a profit. If you go for 20%, you are also going to see the increment if you go for 25%. So this basically means that once you set this, once the price of Dogecoin gets to that level, the system will automatically close your trade at profit for you, even if you are not online, even if you are not actively on this application. The same is applicable for stop loss. All you have to do is to select the percentage, be it 4%, be it 6%. So now the system will automatically close this trade at loss, preventing you from losing too much should in case the market goes in opposite direction. I'm going to reduce the take profits to 15%, and then the next thing I want to do is to click on confirm, and then we are able to set our take profits and stop loss. You see how easy this is. So now we want to enter another trade, and this time we are actually going to be shorting the market. Remember how I explained shorts earlier on? So when it comes to shorts, you only get to enter a trade when the price of a cryptocurrency has already gone up, and then if you predict that the price is actually going to drop after some minutes or after some days, after some hours, all you have to do is to wait for it to really go up, because you are literally going to be making money when there is a drop in price. And if after shorting a particular cryptocurrency the price increases, you're actually going to be losing money, because shorting is kind of an opposite means of trading the cryptocurrency market. So now to enter a short trade, all you have to do is for you to choose a cryptocurrency, and in this case we can just go for Shiba. We click on 1000 Shiba, and the next thing we want to do is to enter a trade. For us to enter a trade, we will have to use this slider to determine how many percentage of our capital we want to use in initiating this trade. And alternatively, you can use a limit order to enter this trade. Using limit order means that you will be able to edit the price to your desired price, and your order is only going to be filled when the price of Shiba has dropped to that particular price. But I'm going to be using market order because I want it to be executed right away, and then we are going to slide this. I'm going to be using 10% of my capital. This time, instead of me to click on open long, I'm going to be clicking on open short, and then I'm going to click on confirm. So now you can see that I've been able to short Shiba. The next thing I want to do is to click on TP and SL, and then I'm just going to say I want to make maybe 10%. When the price of Shiba has basically gone down, I'm expected to make money, so I'm using 10%. I will just need 10% profit from this. And then when it comes to stop loss, I'm going to set it at, let's say, maybe 6 to 8%, and then I'm going to click on confirm, and that is basically it. After this, I have nothing else to do than to just wait for the markets to either go up or go down. Either of the two that happens first, the system is actually going to help me close the trade either in profit or at loss. And alternatively, I can just click on close to close this trade at the current price, and if I click on close, whatever it is, if I am in profit or loss, the system is also going to close either in profit or loss. So if I close right now, I'm basically going to be losing some little money, which is not even significant. So that is basically it about trading futures on XT Exchange. And in the next video, I'm going to be showing you how to set trade with zero liquidation. And this particular video is not going to be out there in the public. This video is going to be exclusive for our XT community members, right? So if you are not yet in our community, then you should be part of our community. It's actually not free, and we have an onboarding WhatsApp group. The link is going to be in the description of this video. Just click on the link and join the onboarding WhatsApp group and make payments, and you're going to be added to the official exclusive group where you are going to be gaining access to exclusive content that will help you remain profitable trading cryptocurrencies. And we also do post crypto trading signals. Like I mentioned earlier, XT Exchange has a cashback system that is going to give you from 50 to up to 100% of your capital when you are able to generate a certain trading volume. And to get started, don't forget to use my exclusive link to register to be eligible for this. So when you make a deposit of 50 USDT, and you are able to generate a trading volume of 500 USDT and above, you are going to be getting your money back. That is 100% of your money. And if you deposit $100 and you are able to generate a trading volume of $1,000, you also get 100% cashback, which is another $100. When it comes to $300, the cashback is 80%. When it comes to $500, cashback is 80%. When it comes to $1,000, the cashback is 50%. And when it comes to $2,000, the cashback is 50%. So more information about this is in the description of this video, and if you want to learn more about it, you can just join our onboarding WhatsApp group. Ask more questions for clarification. Trading is a powerful vehicle to creating wealth, but always trade responsibly and never risk what you cannot afford to lose. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash the like button and drop your questions in the comments below. Do not forget to subscribe, turn on post notifications so you don't miss out on several crypto tutorials, airdrop tips, crypto trading signals, and lots of opportunities in the cryptocurrency space. Do want to join our Telegram channel for more. Link in the description of this video. Goodbye, and I'll see you in the next one.